Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Sir Nadeem Ki Duniya. I am your host Nadeem Ahmed. Today we are going to convert JPG files to PDF files. Let's start. First of all, we write in the cursor convert JPG to PDF. On pressing tab, we got many programs here which can convert our images to PDF file. Anyone can be selected. Let's select first one. As we select the first, here written select JPG images. When you click this, on clicking, we are moved to our documents where JPG files are saved. Let's select any 2 or 3 images. Three images are selected. Any number of images can be selected. More images, it will take more time to convert. Less images, it will take smaller time. Then click open. These 3 files have been selected. Now click here, convert to PDF. Convert to PDF. As we click on the convert to PDF, the conversion process has started, and it will almost take 1 minute. Here written time left 1 minute. Upload speed given. Uploading 1 of 3 files. Now it will take some time. Approximately 1 minute will be taken by the computer. It has started second file, and then it will move to third file. More files, more time will be taken. Less files, less time will be taken. This is the best software that can convert our JPG images to PDF file. Approximately 30 seconds are left. Here written time left 33 seconds. 20 seconds are almost yes 22 seconds. 20 seconds are left. It will be converted soon. Here it is written I love PDF. It is just 5 seconds are left. 96, 97, 98, and here it goes. It has converted 3 files. Upload completed. Converting images to PDF. Now we can download PDF. We can save it to Google Drive. Save link on screen. Save to any. When we click download, here click open. This is the file which we have converted into PDF file. To watch where the file has been saved, let's open the file folder, downloads, documents, and this is the first one. Here extension is written PDF file. Now we have converted our images to PDF file. This is the easiest way to convert images to PDF file. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.